Somebody call me. Dara.
We go see man after this. Alright.
What are you? What are you? Hey, shot.
Everything cool.
Just so young?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Come in. Alright. So,
Yeah, well, the cameraman need the brace to stick out because you don't think inside.
you know, how does it feel? For the past.
Don't get hot in the day and cool in the night.
What years? About 10 years?
You sound like him. He said I haven't been here in 3 years. I was down here last
3 years?
year.
6.
Alright. So in the last 18 years, what you been doing?
Work.
So we're here at Anadale today, but like the river kind of dirty today, but we'll get what we could get. We're here. I didn't realize he had all that here. What I walked you for, like to go over the waterfall? Or like a trail or something? Yeah, but to go over.
They buy around here now, yeah, okay?
Yeah. Hey. What are you? She never watched it. I miss her. See how dirty the water is? They upgrade down here, they have like a restaurant and bar over there. Yeah. Yeah, they change up a lot of things. I think also. On every passing right though.
Yeah, right, that's not the step, that's the
Huh? Just see. But I thought them people and them that just jump. So it's the same day. I think I'm doing 3 waterfalls today. So we've been to Mount Carmel, well, Royal Mount Carmel. We did Anadale waterfall. Now we're gonna do a small waterfall they call, well, let me just say what they call, but we're in Willis. We're in Willis, so I don't know how they call it or whatsoever, but I will show you. Close to the, as you can see behind me, it have a bridge there. I don't know, it have a bridge right there, so and then you're taking a little trail to come in, you know. That is it already. It's a nice waterfall, same way too. Woo. They have a nice pond behind it, chill spot, you know. That is it right here. So we stopped on the way to get some food. I don't know if you know the area. So I have to get some food right here. There's the menu and the price. There's everybody there. So we just here waiting for the food. You hungry?
Yeah.
You hungry? What you want? What you want? Hmm? What you want? Nah? So we finally here at Waterfall. Everybody's here. There's everybody. The little one sleeping. So the waterfall is down behind that direction there. I might have to use the drone. I think we could get to walk down somewhere around there. I don't know exactly which place we have to walk down, but we could walk down somewhere there. So trying to see if I can see the waterfall from here. Oh yeah. Yeah, so waterfall is down here. So we get to go around and come up. There's the waterfall over there. There's the waterfall over there. We going down?
No, so why you walking down on the side?
And I mean, is that one up there? I don't know what is that here, but it looks like a mini stream there as well too. I see it. What all eh? Sunburn in you? Up there. Yeah. I think it said this way to the waterfall.
So,
where we passing to go down? But up here kind of close. Oh yeah, passing here to go down there. Huh? Entrance to the waterfall in front of the yellow and building. Come on. So there's the waterfall here. And then it's a lot of Yeah. That's a stop. There goes some more fish. Alright, fine.
Hi.
But it's dirty though.
Then come down there, please. Go back to our friend here.
Afraid height? She's scared of.
Then come back and check.
So we get a close-up view. Getting a close-up view, you gotta walk down all these stairs. Strong, man. So this is it. This is the waterfall. So we here, still at it. The
Hi.
bus.
Hi.
Yeah,
Say
see
hi.
you. Say hi.
Smile.
We're down by the airport now, trying to see if we could get to see a plane landing. So we're here and we're waiting. The airport is that way, like just behind here. Yeah. But we're just there. Yeah. Oh, is that here, right?
When we land, right? When we land, the plane goes all right here.
I'm trying to see what this is. People just beyond that.
These people that used to live here? Now we are the coming.
There are people who die.
Who died? Who fight war?